Hi everyone, welcome to the Beth kitchen. Today's recipe is how to make corn and sweet rice pudding with coconut sauce, aka chè bắp và nước cốt dừa. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box just right below the video. To view it, click into the word show more or a small drop-down arrow on the right-hand side. Now let's get started. Key ingredients are sweet corns, coconut cream, pandan extract, sweet rice, and pandan leaf. Here is what frozen pandan leaf look like. It's mostly available only at Asian grocery store. First, peel corns. Where I live, corn season starts at this time of year. It's so fresh, sweet, and juicy. And next is to slice the corn. I use the mandolins to slice my corn. Make sure to thinly slice. It's nice and thin. I have just finished slicing my corns. 5 large ears of corn will give you 5 cups or 650 grams. Set that aside, then add your corn cores into a pot. Also 10 washed pandan leaf, tie into bundle. Then pour in 6 cups of water. Cover and bring it to boil. The first 5 minutes, cook on medium-high heat. When it's boiling like this, then turn the heat down to medium-low and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare the rest of the ingredients. The recipe will need 1 cup of sweet rice, half cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you don't like your pudding sweet, then you can reduce the amount of sugar by 1 tablespoon. Half teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it well, then set it aside. Ingredients for the coconut sauce you will need: 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 tube of vanilla sugar. Mix all dry ingredients well together. Then pour in 1 can of coconut cream, 3/4 cup of room temperature water, stir well until sugar and flour are dissolved. Then set it aside. Wash and drain sweet rice, then set it aside. After 25 minutes of boiling, it smells fantastic. I guarantee your pudding will be delicious. Now remove pandan and corn cob. Then drain out the liquid. Now I have left 4 cups of corn juice. Add sweet rice to the pot and all of the corn juice. You will also need 1 more cup of water, but this amount of water we will add later on. Add 1/8 teaspoon of pandan extract. This pandan extract is optional, you don't have to add it. Stir well, then let's go cook the sweet rice. Cook stirring on medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking and stirring, you see the sweet rice are partly cooked and the liquid getting thicker. Then add 1 cup of water. Stir well and continue to cook and stirring for 2 to 3 more minutes. After a few minutes, you see the mixture start to boil again. Then it's time to add salt and sugar. Stir well. Then add sliced corn. Mix it well. Then now turn the heat down to medium-low. Let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Make sure to stir the pudding once in a while to prevent it from burning. After 10 minutes of simmering, the pudding is done. The only last thing you need to do is to add tapioca starch and water mixture. Mix well for 1 minute, then turn the heat off. Allow it to cool down for 15 minutes before serving. Cook coconut sauce on medium heat. Cooking time is around 10 minutes. Keep stirring gently until the sauce getting thicker. When you see it start to boil, then turn the heat off right away. Continue to stir for 1 more minute, then remove from heat. You see, when it has the right consistency, it will have a shining look like this. Corn pudding can be served at room temperature or warm. I personally like it warm. The corn are sweet and it smells amazing. Perfect combination with a rich and delicious coconut sauce. I hope you will give this recipe a try. I'm sure your family will love it. For more easy and delicious recipes, please check out my website at thebestkitchen.com. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and don't forget to click like and share the recipe with others. Subscribe to my channel to be notified on my next video. And lastly, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.